favorite little tourist. About my promise to take you up top. I need a little help cleaning up first. See, a certain someone smashed up all my defense hardware. And now I've got rival dozers muscling in. It's the Junker Coyotes. We never did get on. Always sniffing around, just waiting for a chance to bite. Making a mess is one thing, but they're going after our development data too. We need to swat the hacking drones they sent before they make off with all my secrets. Yeah, it's pretty low of them, but at least give them credit for knowing where the value is. Anyway, did I mention that this is all your fault? You can make up for it by keeping my secrets safe.
Your handler didn't authorize this sortie either. But we shouldn't miss this chance. I'll support you.
Main system activating combat mode.
Let's get rolling, tourists. Destroy all the hacking drones those degenerate coyotes left here.
Let's be clear about this, Raven.
Security breaches reached 10%. Firewall's going down fast. Must be about 5 drones to pull that off.
Before we go.
Straight out of the gates. Keep it up, tourist.
Second terminal storm.
I get why they want our tech. I just wish they had a little more flair. If it were me, I'd raid us from orbit and just yank our servers off the ground.
Confirmed. Target destroyed. 2 remaining.
Guess I better get to work on countermeasures. Coyotes are using RADMTs. They're hot stuff on the black market. Still, I'm not sure I like seeing my own babies used against me.
2 repair kits remaining.
Target destroyed.
One left. You'd have to try to mess it up now. Security breach has reached 50%.
We can still make it, Raven. If you can't spot the targets, try using your scanner. That's 5. All hacking drones destroyed.
Good job, tourist. Sent the coyotes and their pals a little counter-virus. Their servers are officially fried. Maybe that'll teach them to behave. Wait, the radar. Are there more of them?
They're outside. Let's move to intercept.
damn raid. And here I thought I'd just make some extra scratch. Guess I can settle the score at the same time.
I see the coyotes got some help too. Don't forget to smile, tourist.
I heard about you climbing the wall. Bet you think you're hot shit now. Well, you're making a mistake. You're gonna die, freelancer. Huh? What the hell? They're all over us. Help me out or we're both dead. You psycho or something? We're both in trouble here.
AP at 50%. No repair kits.
It's ringing in my ears again. It'll be peace and quiet when you're gone.
All unidentified machines destroyed.
Now we can finally be alone. You're next, freelancer.
AP at 50%.
Damn it! I would have had you. Don't you dare think you've won.
Looks like it's over. I'll have the crew check out those mechs.
Raven, those unidentified machines were using encrypted communications. I'll do what I can to decrypt them.